Hello dear Geminis, welcome back to my channel and this is your July 1st week's exclusive love reading plus career reading. So let's begin. Your cards are already out. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, and if you would like to know more about the personal readings, the rituals or the counseling sessions that I do, please stay tuned till the end. I will share more information. Let's start with your career. You've got the Prophetess card and the Four of Sons. Your intuition is quite strong this week, so please follow the intuition, follow the guidance that's coming to you, especially regarding your career, whether you have a job, business, or you want to go for higher studies, or you are studying in a university or preparing for a competitive exam. Follow your intuition. Whatever it is guiding you right. I also see some sort of celebration coming your way. So definitely either you're getting a promotion or the family is very happy with you, your colleagues are celebrating you, they are looking at you in a respectful way. You are either doing a lot of charity or service oriented work, because of which you are known in the community. So it's a community related card. So I do see that either you're spending a lot of time with your colleagues, building some sort of community, doing charity or service to the people. Maybe your name has been emailed or come in the newspaper because you cleared some exams. Some sort of celebration is happening where people are celebrating you. So it's a very good card to have, where it's like a social applause that you're getting, some position that you're getting, some name that you're getting because of your work. Right? You're known for your work is what I'm getting. Let's see what's happening in your love life. You've got the Three of Moons and the Two of Suns. Now this tells me that you were hoping for some sort of celebration in your love life also, right? Maybe you were waiting that your partner will be equally happy, or your relationship will also be as smooth as your career is going right now, but unfortunately that's not happening. I see two extremely strong individuals coming together, whether you are married in a relationship or you are in a situationship. If you're single and already talking to people, you will see that you're meeting very like-minded, very similar personalities. Extremely strong, egoistic. You are also egoistic, hot-headed, right? So whenever there's a fight or argument, none of you want to back down. This week, the guidance that is coming for you is to compromise. Please compromise, bend a little, try to solve the problems, because if you don't, the arguments is only going to escalate. And if you're already in a relationship or marriage, and you have been fighting for a very long time and you have no idea why, that despite the love between the two of you, why do you end up fighting with each other? It's the compatibility issue here. For a relationship to work, we need yin and yang energy to balance it out, right? That means if somebody is dominating, then the other person has to be passive, has to be submissive. But if both are dominating, you can imagine what's going to happen in a relationship, and this is what is happening. So please, if you're already in a situationship or single, you still have time, right? You can still not take it forward. If you're in a relationship and still not married, you still have time, because you will have to compromise for the rest of your life, right? Can you do that? Because if both of you are ready to compromise, sometimes you, sometimes them, then it's fine. But only if one person has to compromise, it's going to be difficult, because eventually you're going to give up on it, right? And I understand if that's a marriage, how hard it would have been on you, right? So if you think that this is not working out for you, probably this will never work out for you, because only one person cannot compromise for the rest of their life. So please think wisely, take a decision, and if you think, no, I want to save this relationship or marriage, I'm ready to compromise, then go ahead. Compromise is the only way going forward. These fights are going to happen because the compatibility issue is there, right? So if you compromise, your relationship will be smooth, and this way you will be able to live with each other for a long time. So this was your weekly reading. If you guys resonated with it, please do like, share and subscribe my channel, so that you can get to know about your reading in advance, and you're also prepared to how to handle the week that is coming for you, because I will be giving you the tips and the guides here and there. And yes, this was a general reading. If you think that you have specific questions regarding you, then you're free to book a personal reading with me. I have various services available, from exclusive no contact reading to love reading to packages where you have more than one question and you also need a remedy. You also need to remove blockages from your life. Then you can take a package which is very cheap, is below 1,000 rupees, by the way. Other than that, if you only want to take a ritual to remove blockages or manifest any desire, then you can do that as well. My lowest reading starts at 170 rupees. Let me just tell you that, and it goes up to 1,000. So there's no service that you cannot take, right? So you can choose what is best for you in terms of what you are looking for and what is your budget. I have various services available. It's not like I have a 25,000 rupees package and a 30,000 rupees ritual, like other channels. It's not like that. And plus, my rituals are very powerful because they're based on positive energies. So you will see a lot of difference between other rituals and this ritual that you will be doing, because it's only out of love and positive energies. Lastly, I take spiritual counseling sessions as well. So if you think you need guidance, you need mentorship, you need to speak to somebody, you have nobody that you can trust, or you're fearing that people will judge you, laugh at you, then you can always come to me for a one-on-one guidance. I do have audio video sessions available with me, but only on Instagram, Zoom, and Google Meet. And if you want to make any booking, you can either email me at asthasharma842@gmail.com, or you can directly DM me on my Instagram handle, the Moksha Tarot. And guys, please also follow me on Instagram because you'll stay updated regarding my channel. Here, I'll only be telling you about the services which I might have missed. It is mentioned in my description box, by the way, but I cannot put it here because there's a limit to the words. Prices, if you want to know, that you'll know from my Instagram handle. I keep on posting it on my stories, so do follow the Moksha Tarot. You'll know when the new video is coming out, you'll know when I'm coming live, you'll know when my channel is closed, you'll know what new service is being launched on my channel, all that from my Instagram. Subscribe here so that you can get the notification about your weekly or monthly reading that's going to come out, and you can watch it in advance. Yes, so this was all about you and my channel. So please take care of yourself. Thank you so much for watching my channel, and I'm going to see you very, very soon. Bye bye.